Boity Thulo's lover appeared. Dating rumors are swirling around businesswoman and media personality Boity Thulo and actor Anton Jeftha. The pair have been spotted a few times together in the streets of Joburg, with Jeftha showing his appreciation for her rap performance in Soweto on Sunday. The duo were sharing very cheeky Instagram stories with each other, which had us wondering, are they dating? There are also pictures in question during Valentine's Day, when Boity posted a bunch of red roses and a private helicopter. Said partner was not revealed. However, Jeftha was also pictured in a very similar looking location with the same helicopter in the background. Jeftha has made a name for himself playing Sebastian Price Jr. on Mnet telenovela Legacy SA. Because of his easy-on-the-eyes appearance, this has landed him on the South African Television Hung Hall of Fame according to fans, capturing the hearts of women across the land. Boity Thulo was applauded at the weekend for speaking out against the comments Euphonic made when he shared a screenshot of a message purporting to be from his rape accuser. She said, "This is not a joke. You are being accused of the most violent crime, and you are turning it into a shits and giggles circus." When asked for comment on their dating rumors, Jeftha representative Juliet Jansen said she had no comment.